missed it. Missed the record button again. This one's a little bit smaller, but I'm not going to complain by no means. He's kind of scratched himself right here underneath his fin. They make this stuff, it's like an antibiotic that you use on these fish when you get them in. I think that's scale that's popped off or anything. But you can find all that stuff online. I prefer big carp tackle. And, I don't know what to say. I'm excited. That's 2 fish. And these are my first fish that I've got on film, so I'm pretty stoked. But yeah, I'm gonna take some photos and try again. Pack bait and 2 pieces of sweet one. It's working right now. So let's put this one back and see if we can get another one.